Hello, Endeavor. Joining you from Des Moines. We're here for our BBQ&A, our series of events going through the summer. As you can see here, we're in the engine shop. We've got a great engine facility here. We're going to be answering a few questions, having a little barbecue, but actually no, we're going to have Italian food, a little departure from the traditional BBQ&A. So give a shout out to the Des Moines folks whenever you're around, and certainly these guys do an awesome job for us. A couple updates for July. First of all, operation is running extremely well. Thank you for all that. We're starting the first half of July doing a really good job. Cancels D0, A0, 3+ hours I think we're struggling on, so we got to continue to focus on that. As a result of that, though, we look back at June, and you should have received information from Joe today. We are going to readjust the OPRs for June as a result of the GPS outage. So it looks like we're going to be 3 for 4 on our June OPRs. So great job, well deserved. The team did a great job recovering. Appreciate in-flight, flight ops, AMTs, the maintenance group did a wonderful job. So thank you so much for all that great work, and it's an honor to give you back those OPRs for June. Well, while we're here today, we've got a brand new employee I want to introduce to you, Kirk Hinze. Kirk, come on in here. Kirk is the future of Endeavor, and I think what's really great about these programs, and certainly great for me, I get to see and meet all kinds of different folks, and Kirk's one of those great examples. Kirk, I'd like to ask you a few questions if you don't mind. So how did you get introduced to Endeavor, and how long have you been here?
I've been in Endeavor for about 20 months now, and I got introduced because my instructor at the A&P school, apparently Dwayne, came up and asked if they had any candidates that would like a job here, and so my instructor pointed me this way.
Well, great, that's awesome. We have a program where we bring in AMT helpers to help develop the skill set and work with the local schools. So how's it been going here at Des Moines? The guys treating you okay, and they keeping you busy?
Yeah, they've been great guys, good mentors as a mechanic, perfect.
So you're getting a lot of good hands-on experience. They letting you break things, put things back together?
I try my best not to break anything, but they've been guiding me through engine buildups and teardowns and windshield changes and stuff like that.
All right, it's great. Well, it's great to have you, and good luck to you. Personal side, I hear you're involved with Future Farmers of America. Is that tell us a little bit about that?
I started in FFA as a freshman in high school, and I've been restoring tractors and showing them at the Iowa State Fair.
And have you won any awards or anything like that?
I've gotten 3rd place overall and 2 blue ribbons and a red ribbon.
All right, that's awesome. Congratulations, Kirk. It's great to meet you. Good luck to you. Welcome to the Endeavor team. I know you'll do a great job for the Des Moines folks. Everybody take care out there. Be safe, and thanks for all you do. Have a good one.